Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you the rate analysis of random rubble masonry in cement mortar 1:6 for foundation and plinth. So let us start doing the rate analysis. To do the rate analysis, we first have to assume the volume of the wall. So let us consider the volume of the wall as 10 meter cube. And for 10 meter cube, what are all the quantities of materials which are being required that we need to find. So to find the materials quantity, the materials which are required for the random rubble masonry are one is stone, other is mortar. So in cement mortar, two types of materials are required. One is cement, other is sand. So we have to find the quantity of stone, cement as well as sand. So let us start doing that. To find the quantity of stone will be taken as the total volume of the wall less 25% extra. So whatever the volume of the wall which we are considering for our calculation, for that volume we need to take 25% extra of that volume for the wastage or any filling of the gaps. For that reason we will be adding the extra percentage of the volume here. Here the volume which is considered as 10 meter cube plus 25% of again 10 we have to do. So 25% means we need to multiply 10 with 25 and later we have to divide that with 100. So we are adding this because extra 25% the volume is required. For that purpose we will be adding these two values. Now on simplifying the whole thing, we will get a value of 12.5 meter cube. So this represents the quantity of the stone which is required for a volume of 10 meter cube. Similarly, let us find the dry volume of the mortar for random rubble masonry. Particularly for random rubble masonry, the dry volume of mortar will be taken as 42% of the total volume. Here the total volume is of volume of the wall. Hence we have to find the 42% for this volume. That means we have to multiply 10 with 42. Later we need to divide that with 100. So the 42% of the 10 meter cube of volume gives you 4.2 meter cube. Here 4.2 meter cube represents the volume of dry mortar. Now with this dry volume, we will be finding the quantities of the cement as well as sand. So let us do that. To find the quantity of the cement, we have to take the dry volume of mortar which is 4.2, that divided by sum of the proportion. In the question the proportion is given as 1:6. If it is given 1:4, then you can add the sum of 1:4 as 1 plus 4. Otherwise, for this proportion, I am adding the sum as 1 plus 6 here into the part of the cement. Here 1 represents the part of the cement, hence I will be multiplying 1 with this. Then on simplifying the whole thing, I got a value of 0.6 meter cube. Then you convert that meter cube in terms of bags, for which we had to multiply value with 30. So let us multiply 0.6 with 30, we will get 18 number of bags. Then let us find the quantity of sand. Again, to find the quantity of sand, we have to take the dry volume, that divided by sum of the proportion, into part of the sand. Here 6 represents the part of the sand. Then on simplifying this, we will get a value of 3.6 meter cube. Now these two values represents the quantity of the cement as well as the sand which is applicable for the doing of rate analysis of the random rubble masonry. That means if you want to construct a random rubble masonry of 10 meter cube volume, within the 10 meter cube of volume of wall, then the materials of cement is 18 bags. It requires about 18 bags of cement and 3.6 meter cube of sand. So that completes the material calculation part. Moving to the rate analysis table. The rate analysis table will look like this. The table should consist of serial number, particulars, quantity, rate as well as amount. So whatever the material calculation that you have done in the previous step, the same number of quantities you have to copy here. Totally there are 3 materials, one is stone, other is cement and then sand. So you please write down the quantities of those 3 materials in this column, and then whatever the rate which is fixed nowadays, that we will be writing here. For stone the rate is 500 rupees per meter cube. For cement it is 330 rupees per bag. For sand it is 1300 rupees per meter cube. Then on multiplying quantity with rate, we will get the amount of all the 3 materials. Similarly, we will do the labor. We will find the rate analysis of the labor work. So totally there are 3 types of labor required. One is head mason, other is mason, and then mazdoor. So in the mazdoor itself, I will be adding the number of bishtis. Here 3 number of bishtis are required. So the quantity of the head mason is half a number. Only half a day the head mason will visit the site and do the work. The mason is 10 numbers. Mazdoor are 19 numbers. This 19 numbers also includes this 3 number of bishtis. Then you write down the rate which is fixed for all the 3 labors, and then you multiply the quantity with the rate, you will get the amount. Then later we will be adding the contingency and the transportation charges. For RRM, that is random rubble masonry, let us consider a lump sum amount of 100 rupees. Then find out the total amount. To find the total amount, we had to add all the amounts. On adding all the amounts, we will get a total amount of 26,580 rupees. Now for this, we had to add 1% of water charge. The 1% of this value gives you 265 rupees 80 paise. Then again you need to add these 2 values. On adding these 2 values, we will get a new total amount of 26,845 rupees and 80 paise. Then for the new total amount, we will be adding the 10% of the profit and the overhead charges. So that 10% of this value gives you 2,684 rupees 58 paise. Then again you have to add these 2 values. And adding these 2 values, you will be getting the final amount of 29,530 rupees 38 paise. So this gives you the amount for the volume of 10 meter cube. Similarly, if you want to find the amount for 1 meter cube of the wall, then what will be the value? To find that, the rate per meter cube will be given as the total amount divided by volume. Here the total volume is 10. On dividing these 2, you will get 2,953 rupees as the amount. If you want to construct or if you want to build a RRM, that is random rubble masonry, for a 1 meter cube of volume, then it hardly cost 2,953 rupees. So that completes the rate analysis of RRM.